In today's quick tip video, we'd like to show you the ObserVR software and how to use a headset microphone to help narrate and describe the experiments that you might be running on your shaker or when you're out on the road with your ObserVR1000 and your ObserVR software. Currently, I have a single axis accelerometer mounted on this table, and it's live right now on the screen. It's a 1000 millivolt per G accelerometer. And if I want to use my headset microphone, I'm going to take the input and plug it into the port on the ObserVR1000. And once it's plugged in, I need to enable it by clicking on the toggle switch here, Enable Headset Mic Input. And when I do that, you'll notice that in the graph, the acceleration data has disappeared, and now the microphone is live. You can see the activity on the screen, picking up my voice. But we have lost the acceleration data, and that's a matter that we have to take into account. So what I'm going to do is reverse my process a minute. I'm going to turn off that toggle switch a minute and unplug my headset mic. And you see the acceleration is back on the screen. And what we need to do is when we plug the microphone in, it is writing to that channel 1 where I have my accelerometer currently attached. So that acceleration data is going to be masked or taken over by the microphone. So we need to transfer that accelerometer to a new channel. And there's a couple ways to do that. We could obviously just type in the information manually into another channel. But one of the quick ways to do that is to, in the current channel we have, to scroll down. And you'll notice, by the way, all the data that I have, I've already put in there that it's on the z-axis and serial numbers, etc. And I can transfer or move all of that information to the selected channel that I'd like. So we're going to move it to channel 2. And when I confirm that, all that data has moved now to channel 2. Now it's red because I have to unplug my channel 1, and I'm doing that currently, and I'm connecting it to channel 2. It should show up green in a moment. There we are. So that accelerometer has now been moved to channel 2, and you can see it in blue here on the graph, and it is alive as I'm tapping on it. And now I'm going to plug in my microphone again into the microphone port, and with the toggle switch enable the headset mic, and you'll see both the graph for the headset mic and the accelerometer on channel 2, both active and live. And using the headset mic is a very handy tool. We use it quite often as we go on the road to narrate what's going on in a particular test situation or as we're recording data, and that can get matched up to video and the accelerometer readings, and it's a really handy tool. But we wanted to show you today how to plug it in, how to set it up, and that very important fact that it uses channel 1. So you have to take your accelerometer away from channel 1 and plug it into another channel. The first course that we run into is a strip of very bumpy, rocky road, and we're approaching that at this point. We're going to take this at only a few miles per hour, entering Rocky Road.